You went to a stop sign. Meanwhile, I'm texting your lawyer.
I'm driving.
So drive then. Stop worrying about hitting me. I've never been down this road. You know why?
Yes, huh?
No, not
You
this one.
took me that road.
Not this road. Do you
This
know how I
road.
know?
How?
I know I've never been down this road because when I was in
why?
high school, I'm telling you, when I was in high school, my friend lived in the apartments up there.
Yes.
And we would walk from her place. I don't know where the hell we were walking. Anyway, we walked that way for some reason. And she used to tell me there was somebody that was murdered back there, and it freaked me out. So I never been down there ever since high school. 59
You look like
years
Aunt
ago.
Robin.
I don't have any makeup on. I look so weird.
Neither do I.
No, but you're cute. You're young and cute.
I have like a little bit of foundation
That's
on.
my
but it's like,
excuse.
ow. I just have to clear my.
The hearing to take. I know she's going to be pissed at me.
Who?
This lady.
Why?
I don't know. I know she's going to call me, and I'm not going to want to answer it.
Alright, and tell her that we're gonna get it dropped. Like, who's trying to pay $400, $500? Like,
You're. And the fact that you even have more than one hearing. Your next hearing. I can't. Just shut up. It made me cry. Here, I'm going to go in this store right here. Go in here.
is there a Western Union in there?
I doubt it.
I need to go to Western Union.
Well, why don't you do
gonna
that
say?
and then come
Because
get
I have
me.
to go all the way down to Main Street and then come back. I'm not doing all that. When they put a Boost Mobile there
4 years ago.
4 years ago.
Yeah.
No. No.
Yeah. Yes.
No.
Okay. But yeah.
No.
You can say no all you want, but it's been there for several years. Just because you say no doesn't mean
Go
it's
in
true.
there with the phone and ask them how long that store's
All
been
right,
there.
give me the phone.
Alright.
Here,
Here you go.
So that what?
No.
Why do you want it to see me?
So you're gonna record. You can.
Because you want to make sure I'm not lying?
All right. Go in there. And be like, excuse me. How long has?
Don't touch that,
this
'cause I'm in the
store
middle of
been
my
here?
text.
And record.
And you're going to make me
And
do my
record. Be like,
face?
I'll be like, tell my daughter's YouTube channel because we're having a bet right now.
Well, then turn it around.
No, you can't hold it like that. You're vlogging. Go.
She's trying to make it so I'm not lying. But I'm gonna make them. Oops. Hello. I'm sorry, I have a dumb question. So I have a bet. My daughter, it's not really a bet, but she said, how long has that Boost place been there? And I said, I don't know, a couple years. And
Almost 40 years.
almost, tell the people,
40 years.
4 years. 4 years. I was right. Thank you. Have a happy new year. Okay, I was right. 4 years. That was even a wild guess on my part. But 4 years, yeah. So, there you go. She's a smart ass. And she locked me out. 4 years!
I think
On
they're
the
lying. No, they're lying.
How are they
They're
lying?
lying.
Go in there and ask him.
Here.
Thank you.
That doesn't taste how it used to taste.
I know. I thought it was just me.
No, it tastes
wanna
like
be
soda.
ungrateful.
It tases like
It tastes like soda.
You want
Doesn't
something
just
else?
taste like.
Let's go back.
No, I'm not going back. I don't care that much. I feel very strongly.
So I can't play this back. So when I do finally play this back, go in there and get your bread. Little whore.
Stop bossing me around. All right.
Guys, my skin is clearing up so well. Oh wait, doesn't look like it, but I promise it is. Mom, hurry. Ow!
Don't tell me to hurry up. What the hell?
Big ass bird.
You bought this for me.
Cause you wanted it.
Yeah. So.
You got a dent in it now, sis.
Care? Your head has a dent in it. Let me out.
No.
I don't care.
Alright.
Take care of it. He
Here.
Good.
Get the fuck out.
asshole.
Now I don't want you going in there shopping for
Look,
other
got drinks
things
on there.
because listen, y'all. I want to play this back because we're not about to have none of that. All right? Guys, look what I got for Christmas. I got a YouTube shirt for Christmas. It says Just Ginger. Let me tell you, I just got a new job. Just got hired. Well, like, I just got the email that I'm hired, so I'm excited. I'm really excited. But yeah, you want a shirt? Slide in my Instagram DMs. $25. You can get gray, purple, white, black, blue, literally any like kind of color. Yeah. Let me know.